prospect that owns a high-end home who is willing to owner finance and offer terms. They still live in the home. Should I tell them that I will close on the property only once they have moved out, or can I start showing the home to new buyers even when they are in the home? What would you recommend?
Scott, that depends on what the seller will allow you to do. I have done both. I have waited till they moved to close, and I have shown it with them in it. But in order to do that, you have to have a seller that's A, willing to do it, and of course they're going to want it done by appointment. And then you have to have a house that is ready to show, and sellers that are cooperative and are not going to create more harm than good. If that's the case, then I certainly would allow them to show it. I always tell them, hey, if I get somebody I like before you're out, then I'm okay if I throw an extra $500 at you. And of course the sellers are always cooperative. And I tell them, don't discuss numbers with the folks I send over. I have already done that before they arrive, but I would like to know when they've come and gone. That's how I handle it. And sometimes I intentionally wait till the seller moves before I do anything. But you didn't give me any facts on the deal, so I can't tell you if you should close now or not.